Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to use elimination method to solve the pair of simultaneous equations. Step 1. Let's label the equation. So I will have equation 1 and equation 2. Step 2. Then we need to identify the unknown with the same coefficients, and in this case positive 2, the 2y, but I realize one is positive and one is negative. So how can we eliminate this unknown with the same coefficient 2? So this is something for everybody to take note, that if I have a 2y, in this case, a positive 2y and a negative 2y, in order to eliminate them, to make it 0, I actually have to plus them together. Because 2 plus negative 2 is the same as 2 minus 2, and 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay? So in this particular example here, I am going to plus the two equations together. And this is what you will see. Okay? So for my red color, I'm going to just color code equation 1 for my red color, and equation 2 for my green color. And you can then see my red color equation 1 plus my green color equation 2. But take note, we must make sure that the right hand side and the left hand side are consistent. As such, so the left hand side of the equations, we add them up. The right hand side of the equations, we also add them up. And when we do that, then we can eliminate the unknown with the same coefficient. In this case, 2y. Because then it will be 2y minus 2y, 0. 5x plus 6x, 11x. 18 plus 26, 44. And finally, divide both sides by 11. To give me x equals to 4. Okay? So now I have my x equals to 4. Once I do that, I will then be able to find the value of y. All we have to do is to substitute into either equation 1 or equation 2. And in this case, I'm going to substitute into equation 1 because all are positive number. Easy for me to do it. So you can see that equation, now that I know the answer is x equals to 4, my x for equation 1 I no longer write as x. I substitute it with 4. And when I do that, I will then be able to solve for y. 20 plus 2y equals to 18, and eventually I minus 20 on both sides. And after which, I'm going to eventually divide by 2 on both sides to give me this, and write down your final answer. Okay. So now that I know the answer is x is equals to 4, y is equals to 1, -1, sorry. To make sure that our answers are correct, I'm going to do a quick check. Okay, so I'm going to substitute into equation 1. So 5. For this x, I'm not going to write as x anymore. I'm going to write as 4. For this y, I'm going to write it as -1. And when I use my calculator, they should give me 18. And when they give me back 18, the answer is correct. Okay, so this one is my 4 and this one is my -1. And I substitute back into my equation 2 as well. Okay, so equation 2, x and y, since we now know the value, I'm going to just have 6 times 4 minus 2 times -1, and I'm going to work this out. If they give me 26, which is what is happening here, our answers are correct. Confirm correct. Alright, and with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.